In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your trash in Canva. Whether you've just started using Canva or are a seasoned graphic designer, knowing how to access the trash folder can be incredibly handy, especially if you need to restore a design you accidentally deleted. Let's dive right into the steps and make sure you never lose your treasured designs again. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Canva website. If you are seated comfortably and your device is powered up, type in canva.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the Canva homepage loads, it's time to move on to the next step. Now that you're on the Canva site, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already created one, you'll find a button on the homepage that invites you to sign up. But assuming you're already part of the Canva community, go ahead and click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. You might choose to log in using your email and password or even through a connected Google or Facebook account, depending on what you've set up before. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on your personal Canva dashboard where all your creative projects await. From here, we can navigate to the trash. You may notice a variety of options on your dashboard. Look for a section usually labeled All Your Designs or something similar. In this area, there should be a list or menu of organizational tools. Here, Canva provides a very straightforward visual look at your projects. Scroll through the sidebar and you should see a small icon aptly shaped like a trash can. This is the button you're looking to click. The trash icon is your gateway to accessing the discarded yet possibly redeemable projects you've previously moved to trash. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to your trash bin, where you can view the designs you've previously deleted. Each item in the trash has options that allow you to either restore the design to its original folder or permanently delete it, so be cautious before you decide to clear anything out for good. If you stumble upon something valuable that you had accidentally trashed, simply click on the Restore option, and it'll be whisked right back to your list of active projects. And there you have it, a simple path to recover anything you might have mistakenly thrown away. Remember, regularly checking your trash folder ensures that nothing of importance is lost forever. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Canva with a bit more confidence. Keep creating, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.